question says that we have to prove the identity. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to take LCM first so that we have single fraction. So the LCM is going to be 1 minus cos x times 1 plus cos x. To make the denominator the same, the numerator would become 1 plus cos x whole squared minus 1 minus cos x whole squared. Okay. Now the denominator would become, this is the identity a plus b, a minus b, which is equals to a square minus b squared. In the numerator, I'm also using an algebraic identity a square plus 2ab plus b squared. Now there's a minus sign in between, so you have to be careful and put further brackets. This would be a square minus 2ab plus b squared. Now the denominator would become sine square theta. From the identity, sine square plus cos square is equals to 1. So 1 minus cos square is actually sine square. Okay. So the denominator becomes sine square x. And in the numerator, these ones get cancelled and cos square x minus cos square x get cancelled. And this becomes 2 cos x and minus minus becomes plus 2 cos x. So we have 4 cos x in the numerator. Okay. Now we have to show it in this form. So remember that tan is sine over cos and 1 over tan is cos over sine. So let's see what are we getting. We're getting 4 times cos x, and I'm writing a sine x here, and times 1 over sine x. So we have 4 and this becomes 1 over tan. And this would be 1 over sine x. So we get the required right-hand side 4 upon sine x tan x. Okay. The identity has been proved. Now we do part 2, which says, hence solve this equation. Remember, there's also a sine x being multiplied with the identity that we just proved. So we're going to write a sine x as well. And the identity became 4 upon sine x tan x equals 3. Can cancel this. We get 4 upon 3 equals tan x. We're going to find alpha. Alpha comes out to be 53.1. So we're going to plot that here, where tan is positive. Add sugar to coffee. Tan is also positive in the third quadrant, so we're going to plot it here as well. And in the given domain, we're getting 2 angles. The domain is from 0 to 360 degree. So one of our answers is 53.1. And the other answer would be 180 plus 53.1, which would be 233.1.